Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you what to do if your fast charging is not working on your Galaxy A51. If fast charging isn't working on your Samsung Galaxy A51, don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First of all, open up your settings, go down here to battery and device care, battery, down here to more battery settings, and you need to make sure your fast charging is turned on. And the next thing you'll need to do is checking your charger and cable. As the Galaxy A51 supports up to 15 watts of fast charging, you'll need to make sure to use the original Samsung charger or another certified adaptive fast charger. And of course try to avoid cheap or damaged cables. They often cause slow or unstable charging. Next up, inspect your charging port. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove any dust or debris that might block the connection. Even a little build-up can prevent fast charging from working properly. The next thing, try a different charger or power outlet. Sometimes the issue isn't with your phone, it could be a faulty adapter, cable or socket. Testing with another charger or plug can quickly rule it out. And the next thing, you need to avoid using your phone while charging. Heavy use like gaming or watching videos can generate heat and slow down the charging process. And finally, check up for software updates in your settings, again in battery and device care, and software update. Make sure your auto download over Wi-Fi is on, so your download of software will start automatically when you're connected to a Wi-Fi network. And if you want to download it by your mobile data, click on here, download and install. And if your software is not up to data, you'll have update your software button. But right now I don't have it because my software is up to date. So after these few steps, your fast charging should be working normally again. So thank you for watching, subscribe.